Okay, here we have a question all about loans. Easy loans, loans up to 3,000, APR 20.5%. Lucy wants a loan for 1,200, which she wants to pay back in 2 equal instalments, with the first instalment at the end of year 1 and the second at the end of the second year. Work out the amount of each instalment and use the APR sheet on the formula sheet. Give your answers to the nearest pound. A tricky question, but it's rewarded with 5 marks. So let's just write it out in full, nice and straightforward, logically. So she wants a loan for 1,200, and to use the formula, A divided by, in brackets, 1 plus I to the power of 1, because that's after the end of the first year, plus A divided by, in brackets, 1 plus I to the power of 2, because that's at the end of the second year. So to expand on those, 1,200 equals A divided by 1 plus, and the interest rate in the decimal, of course, is 0.205 to the power of 1, plus A divided by 1 plus 0.205. Remember, that's to a decimal, that's the 20.5% in decimal, but that's of course to the power of 2, being the end of 2 years. Now, by substituting our figures, we can get to this stage. Well, 1,200 equals, we can do 0.82 if we type it into our calculator, 987 plus 0.68869, and added them together essentially to A. That's of course after the substitutions have taken place. So let's put that into 1 now, simplifying our formula. 1.51856 to A, and essentially then, well, in order to simplify and isolate A, what we can do is of course divide, in this case, by 1.51856, and what we've got here is 1200 divided by, in this case, 1.51856, and that will isolate A for us. Do the calculation, and A will equal £790.22. That's how much you'll have to pay at the end of the first and at the end of the second in order to cover that loan and APR.